And if you're new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about an interesting trend in gaming world, aviator applications. So what are aviator games? Imagine this. So a plane takes off, you place a bet on how long this plane will stay in the air. And the more it stays, the more your money will multiply. Quite easy but super thrilling, right? So today we'll cover everything related to aviator game apps, how you can build your own application, what are some revenue generation strategies, what is the development cost of these kind of application, why these are going so popular, some tricks for all of you owners, and some statistics which will prove that these apps are really growing crazy. So let's get started. Why aviator games are growing so popular? So these are booming because they are easy to use, easy to understand, and the huge amount of reward the users are getting. So users are automatically getting attracted to these kind of applications. Next we have revenue generation sources. So if you're placing bet in these kinds of applications, then you're obviously generating revenue. But if you want to own an application like this, if you want to build an application like this, then how you can generate revenue? So first of all, like each and every betting app, commission is the main source. You will get 20 to 15% of commission on every bet placed on your application. Next, you can generate through ads or advertisements. So here what happens, you will promote ads of different websites or different products on your application and you will generate revenue. And then it's in-app purchases. This is also a good source of revenue generation. So more players will come and more revenue you will generate. Next we have talking about the development cost. So development cost depends upon several factors. Speaking approximately, then it will cost around 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So for a basic one, it will cost 5 lakhs. But if you want more advanced secure payment gateways or real-time data verification or anything in real-time playing, then it will go around 15 lakhs. And why so huge difference? Because everything depends on how much you want on your application, what technologies are being used like Flutter, React Native, Firebase, which technology, what features you want and how complex you want your game to be. So everything depends upon these, and if you want to get the accurate cost of your application, then you can contact us directly. We will provide you customized quotation of cost of these applications on your requirements. Next we go to tricks for the game owners or the owners of these aviator games. So here are some popular tricks. Some applications use bots to make the real players think that there are huge amount of people who are playing this application, who are playing on this application, and crowd will get attracted on your application. Next we can go to loyalty programs or leaderboards. So here what happens, your customers, your users will keep coming back on your application. So these are very good for keeping the users coming back. So, how much can popular aviator game apps earn? So, top aviator games can earn millions each other with profit margins around 30 to 40%. Quite huge, right? So, you can also gain a huge amount of revenue through these kinds of applications. So, if you are a developer or if you want to build your own application, these aviator apps are really going to generate huge amount of revenue. And if you seriously want to build an application of aviator games or any other application, feel free to contact us because here in our company, we help you from everything, like from the concept to the launch to the post-launch, everything we'll be providing you. So feel free to contact us, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit our website. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.